Welcome. Today I'll show you how to view shared files on a Messenger group with the steps updated for the latest app layout. If you're teaming up with friends or staying organized with a busy group, finding documents, photos, or links is quick once you know where to look. First, open the Messenger app on your device. Make sure you're signed into the account that has access to the group you're checking. Once the app is open, navigate to the group where the shared files live. Next, tap the group's name or the group picture at the top of the screen. This opens the group's details, including information about members and recent activity. You're aiming to reach the hub where media and files are organized, so keep an eye out for the profile header at the top and tap it. Now, you'll see several options related to the group. Look for it and tap on View Media, Files, and Links. This section collects everything that has been shared in the group, including photos, videos, documents, and external links. It's a great single place to review what's been exchanged without scrolling through chat messages. From there, tap on Files. This view specifically filters the content to documents and other file types that have been uploaded or shared within the group. You'll usually see a list or grid of items, often with file names, upload dates, and the person who shared them. If you are looking for something specific, you can scroll through or use any built-in search or filter options Messenger provides in this area. If you don't see what you need right away, remember that new files appear at the top of the list as they're shared. You can tap a file to preview it, download it to your device, or open it in the appropriate app if that's supported by your device. For photos and videos, a quick tap will usually open a full screen view and you can save or share from there if you need to. That's the streamlined path to finding group files. Open Messenger, go to the group, access the group details, choose View Media, Files and Links, and then select Files. With these steps, you'll stay organized and ready to collaborate no matter how many members or how many files your group has.